Between August 14th and August 25 of 2021, the U.S. alone evacuated 82,300 people from Afghanistan, including U.S. citizens, special immigrant visa applicants, and other vulnerable Afghans. In total, over 122,000 people were airlifted abroad. Around the world, over 40,000 Afghans are still actively pursuing resettlement in the U.S., with more than 10,000 approved to relocate by the U.S. government. In San Antonio, 3,852 Afghan individuals have arrived through the resettlement process since 2021. 1,562 refugees and special immigrant visa holders and 2,290 Afghan parolees resettled through Operation Allies Welcome. Approximately 6,000 Afghan immigrants, including displaced refugees, evacuees, and asylum seekers live.